Reducing lead exposure through safe cleaning. 2-bucket cleaning method. It is important to make sure your child is not being exposed to lead. No amount of lead in a child's blood is safe, and lead exposure can lead to problems with brain growth that can cause a lower attention span and lower academic performance. A child can be exposed to lead when they touch or eat certain things, or if they inhale particles of dust containing lead. One way to make sure your child is not being exposed to lead, or to decrease exposure if you learn your child has been exposed, is through a special cleaning technique called the 2-bucket method. This cleaning method is effective because it removes any dust or small particles that may contain lead. It also makes sure that any dust or particles that are being wiped away are not moved to another surface in your home. The 2-bucket method requires 2 buckets, multiple rags, a cleaning solution, and water. Use 1 bucket filled with a cleaning solution, such as a mixture of water and dish soap, or a multi-service cleaning agent, and a second bucket with clean water. Make sure you label your buckets and keep 1 rag for each bucket. Wet your cleaning rag with the cleaning solution and begin wiping down a surface. After you wipe down the surface with the cleaning solution, return the rag to the cleaning solution bucket. Next, use a new clean rag, dip this rag into the water bucket, and wipe down the surface again. Repeat the 2-bucket method as needed to cover all of the surfaces you are cleaning. When you have finished cleaning the surfaces of your home, be sure to dispose of your used rags safely. Place all rags in 1 trash bag and take this bag of trash out immediately to decrease the possibility of further exposure. The 2-bucket method can help limit the level of lead your child is exposed to and help promote their health and safety. In addition to this cleaning method, wipe down your child's toys and pacifiers frequently with sanitary wipes or a wet paper towel, and make sure they wash their hands often. Have your child wash their hands before meals, after playing outside, and after using the bathroom. If your child's blood lead test comes back with an elevated level, the Delaware Division of Public Health will reach out to help you with next steps on ensuring your child's health and safety. If you need more information about lead safety, contact the Delaware Division of Public Health Lead Program at 302-744-4546.